From Goalskeeper.io. Today we're going to see what we can do with Goalskeeper after we created our new account. So in previous video we created our account and we get to this step, to this state, which we already defined our main goal, one short-term goal and a new milestone which will help us to get to this short-term goal and what we can do from here. So the first thing that you can do is to go to your quarterly routine, even though it's not the start of the new quarter, and you can add more goals which will help you to reach this milestone. For example, now we did something about increasing the conversion rate from 3% to 5%, and we can also increase the top of the funnel, increase the number of visitors, which will help us also to reach our main goal of 5k. So let's add this goal. We want to add a new goal. The title of the goal is going to be increase number of visitors to 500, and it's going to be a goal. And currently let's say that we have 100 and we're aiming for 500. The deadline for this is going to be in the end of this year, and we can just add this goal and we can see that we have two goals right now. From here we can go to the monthly routine. In the monthly routine we're going to set the sub goals. So we're going to see, you can see all of our acting goals right here on the top, and here we're going to see the sub goals that we added, and we can add just a new sub goal. And for now we're going to add a new sub goal for increasing the number of visitors, and for that we're going to add a new sub goal, and the sub goal name will be increasing number of visitors to 200. So let's triple it, let's double it from what we're having right now, and this one is going to be a milestone. And currently we are in 100 and we want to get to 200. And the reason we forgot to choose the goal, which is related, so it's related to the number of visitors, increasing number of visitors. And as you can see, we are chaining the goals into smaller goals, into smaller sub goals, and by that we can be focused, and we're going to see it in a minute. So let's say that this one we want to do until the middle of, or the start of next month. And from here we can go to our weekly routine. In our weekly routine we can see all the sub goals that we're having, all the tasks that we're having. So we have some tasks that we did during the creation of the account, this task specifically, and we have automatically tasks for planning the next week, month and quarter, and we can add a new task, and the new task will be creating a social network account for the business, and I have some typos. Social network account, great. And we need to choose the sub goal, and this sub goal is going to be increasing the number of visitors, and we're going to do it today. And for each task we want to do some estimation. All the estimation are in hours. If you have task that's supposed to take few days, so it's not a task, it's like an old project, and you want to break it down to smaller tasks. In our case, we're going to estimate it's going to take us 2 hours, and we have added it, and we can go to the daily routine, and we can see that we have 2 tasks for today. If we're going to have too many tasks, we're going to see this line will be on red and will alert us that we have too many tasks for today. If we're going to get into specific tasks, we can see the task, the description and the status and everything about the tasks, but we can also see the milestone which is related to, and all the tasks that are related to this milestone. We can go to edit milestone, and from here we can see all the tasks once again, but we can also see the parent goal of this sub goal of this milestone. So the parent goal, it's going to be increasing the number of visitors to 500, and from here we can go and to see the parent goal, which is our main goal, which is increase the revenues from 5k, increasing from $2,000 to $5,000 dollars per month. And with that, I hope that you can have a sense what you can do and how can you achieve your goals with Goalskeeper. Thanks a lot, and see you in the next one.